What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Masked Liberator's Cloak in Crimson Desert. A cape that would fit well for a red light armor build. It provides 4 points in defense with a level 3 ice resistance. It's a good find if you're trying to complete the Masked Liberator's set. You'll find this around the Crimson Desert region, to the east of the town of Tamaso and the region of Tashkal. It's below the E and R of the desert label. Zoom in and it's just to the bottom right of this train station by the Abyss Nexus. I'm gonna warn you ahead, if it's your first time getting to that place, a Crook Rock Walker mini-boss will spawn. You'll have to fight it first, but don't worry, it's not very hard to defeat. After you beat the rock golem, start from the Abyss Nexus facing south, and to your right you'll see a ruined building with a doorway. Enter that building and inside is the chest, ready for looting. Just take the cloak inside and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.